Did you know that you can promote Dash and make money, real money, not dollars, while you do it? Let me show you how in the Marketing Hub. The first thing that you'll need to do is go to the Marketing Hub's Trello board. Once you're there, click on the member sign up card and write a comment saying something like, "Hello, I would like to join the Marketing Hub," and mention one of the names included in the description of the card, in this case, the Dasher links. While you wait, you can check out the Dash Marketing Hub rules, and you can also check out the content that has already been produced by the Marketing Hub on the Marketing Hub's Google Drive. Once you are accepted into the Hub, you will be able to do a variety of things. The first one, if you have marketing ideas, you can request a new concept. To do so, click on the Request New Concept card and copy the template given on the description and follow the given instructions. You can also participate in existing bounties. Bounties are concepts that have been approved by 2 or more Marketing Hub admins. Every bounty has some specification documents that you can check to see what the requirements and the criteria are for the bounty. In the Hub, you get rewarded by performing tasks. A task can be anything from writing a specification document to producing a purchase video or managing a social media account. Feel free to take a look at the different bounties to find tasks that you feel that you're a good fit for. When you're ready, comment on the card mentioning the primary admin and your desire to reserve the task. Once you are done with the task, claim it on a comment along with proof and your Dash address. Something important to remember is that the Marketing Hub's Trello is not the place where conversations should happen, since it's focused on accounting. To have conversations with the other members, go to the Stay Dashy Discord or to our Telegram Marketing Hub's channel.